show this world that I'm a titan. Hit 'em up with syllables inside this verse that can be tightened. My ghost flow's got an ego, and the truth I spit just frightens. The world will admire my truth, and when it does, I'll be the best man. This world needs a hero, the unhero.
What is going on YouTube? It is the Big K Cops 360 here. It's been more than a week. I know this happens very often, but over the past week I graduated, I had my formal, had all this shit going on, so of course I didn't really have time. I wouldn't say I couldn't be bothered, but I just really couldn't get into it. But look, we're back for a bit. I still got exams in about a month's time. Actually more like 3 weeks. So I don't know how often I'll be uploading, but you know, you'll see me when you see me. So anyway, let's get into it. Now of course guys, this morning I was just, you know, on my phone watching a bit of YouTube, and I saw that Keemstar, the guy that runs Drama Alert, he used to be a huge COD commentator. He made a video talking about the state of the current Call of Duty community. Now of course, I think I made a video about Call of Duty and how, you know, COD is dying, I believe close to a year ago now, probably more than a year ago. And I've realized that, you know, what he said in this video is true. Back in the day, man, MW2, Black Ops 1, COD was huge. Look up fucking X-Jaws, White Boy 7th Street, Only Use Me Blade. These guys were the biggest guys on YouTube, man. COD was at its absolute peak. Everyone was watching COD commentaries. And of course, you could say, well, now we've got RLA. RLA is still pretty big, but look, pretty much, if you want to talk about big COD commentators, people that only do Call of Duty and is successful on YouTube, at the moment, it's just RLA. Now, of course, Keemstar in the video said that, you know, that's because the recent games have been bad, like AW and Call of Duty Ghosts. Of course, Ghosts was fucking shit, but AW, I don't think it was as bad as people were saying it was. But look, getting back to the point, I think it's more than just that. He was, of course, also saying that, look, people aren't shouting each other out as much as they used to. Everyone's starting to become greedy. Well, he didn't actually say the words greedy, but it's pretty much what he was inferring. Like, no one's shouting each other out. No one's helping each other out. And I guess that is true to an extent, because back in the day, you always had people shouting out, people saying, you know, look bro, let's work together, let's collab, let's make a video. And that's what made the community as a whole grow, because you had more volume, more people producing Call of Duty videos. However, I think it stretches beyond that. I think it's more to do with the game than it is to do with shouting people out, because look, I mean, sure, the game itself, like, it's just getting shitter, like, it's the same old shit. I think the whole futuristic element to the game, they're starting to burn it out really badly. I mean, you had Black Ops 2 futuristic, you had AW futuristic. Black Ops 3 is pretty much gonna, it's not as futuristic, it's not as over the top as AW, but it's got that same feel. And Ghosts was just boring. Like, I don't know, man, I don't know what type of COD. I'm hoping that Black Ops 3 is something a bit different. Keemstar does believe that Black Ops 3 will bring the community back together, but look, we really don't know. I mean, we need Black Ops 3 to deliver. We need zombies to be on point. Fuck the transit shit that you had in Black Ops 2. Screw that, man. I want some legit, just proper Black Ops 1 style zombies. The Easter eggs, man. That's what pushed Call of Duty. That's what pushed Black Ops 1 in particular. Every fucking time a DLC came out, everyone would buy the DLC. Everyone wants the DLC because zombies was in it, and everyone loved to play zombies. I remember back in the day, I used to fucking go down to, you know, walk or ride my bike to the store to buy Microsoft points because I was so hyped to play zombies, man. That's what people want. That's what people miss. And that is why the Call of Duty community is dying. It's not necessarily because people aren't shouting each other out. Yes, I believe that is quite a big factor. In fact, it's probably half of it, or close to half. But the games itself need to actually be better. And I don't know. I think people are just starting to get bored of Call of Duty. I really don't know what it is. Like, it's not really a question or an issue that you can really just have one specific answer to. It's much more than that. But look, I used to do Call of Duty videos back in the day, man, all of the time. I used to be Mr. COD. Now, I wouldn't say Mr. COD, but you know what I mean. I wasn't very successful, but you know, I had my montages and whatnot because it was fun. COD back in the day was fun as hell, playing with friends and whatever. Now, of course, many of my friends did stop playing COD. I myself pretty much stopped playing COD, fucking moved to PC, and I guess it kind of died out for me from there. But as a whole, man, the community is just dying. I mean, don't you guys just miss like Optic, like the whole optic sniping scene, the phase sniping scene. Did you guys miss Hazard Cinema? Remember when Hazard Cinema was huge, man? You had all these different cinema channels, man. Everyone just creating, uploading, taking in montages, and just building other people up. Did you guys remember Best COD Shots? Do you guys remember episode 200? I'm not sure if my viewers now will know exactly what I'm talking about, but never forget Best COD Shots episode 200. One of the best montages I've seen in my life to this day. That video was epic. I mean, we need crap like that to come back, but is it going to come back? I really do not know. I would like for it to come back. I'd like the community to get big again. I'd like people to focus more on Call of Duty, but at this time, I just don't know if it's gonna happen. Now, of course, this video wasn't really a reply to what Keemstar said, because I pretty much agreed. I pretty much reiterated exactly what he said, but I really don't know, guys. I don't know. I want COD to be good. I want COD to be successful, but at this time, even if Black Ops 3 is good, I don't know if it's too little too late. We're gonna need some successful success of just fucking good game after good COD game after good COD game for this to really pick things up again. I mean, people like Woody's Gamer Tag, fucking, where are they, man? Where are they at? Where are they at? Because COD is dead, I pretty much moved away from COD. You don't really see me talking about COD in particular. I might have a bit of gameplay or whatnot, but I didn't actually, talk about it. So yeah, look, guys, anyway, thanks for watching. This is kind of a video I just decided to put out there. I hope you guys enjoyed, and look, the Big K, we'll see you later. And look, Keemstar, brother, if you want to collab with me, mate, 200,000, you've got fucking, no, you got way more than 200k subs. You got a shit ton if you watch this video. The Big K's here, brother. Peace.